ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 190, third line from the bottom in Tika. So pravesha part will be explained now. The vyakaranam is nama rupa. 15 number tippani you see first. Shruti smriti vadeshu, the srishti is given atmanah akasha sambhutah etasmat jayate prana ityadyaः श्रुतयः. आत्मन आकाश संभूत is तैत्तिरीय. एतस्मात् जायते प्राणः मुंडक and कैवल्य also. अहम सर्वस्य जगतः प्रभव प्रलयस्तथा. Which chapter is this?
10th chapter.
Tenth chapter. मत्तः सर्वं प्रवर्तते. This अहम सर्वस्य जगतः प्रभव. मत्तः सर्वं प्रवर्तते इति मत्वा. That is 10th chapter. इत्यादि स्मृतेश्च इति मत्वा भजन्ते मां बुधा भाव समन्विताः. अहम सर्वस्य जगतः प्रभव प्रलयस्तथा is 7th chapter, I think, or 9th. परिच्छिन्नस्य कार्यत्वेन मूल कारणत्व अयोग इत्यादि युक्ति संग्राहको वाद शब्दः. परिच्छिन्नस्य कार्यत्वेन, यद् यद् परिच्छिन्नं तत्तत् कार्यम्. If it is परिच्छिन्न, it is कार्य. परिच्छिन्नत्वस्य कार्यत्वेन मूल कारणत्व अयोगः. That which is परिच्छिन्न cannot be मूल कारण. Means what is मूल कारण will not be परिच्छिन्न. That is what is said here. Therefore, मूल कारण has to be Paramatma. अतो, further I am reading still tippani. अतो अज्ञातं ब्रह्मैव कारणं न प्रधानादि इति. तत्र तत्र उक्तं वक्ष्यते च मधु ब्राह्मणादावतो न प्रधानवादः साधुः. मधु ब्राह्मणादौ अतः न प्रधानवादः साधुः. What is going to be said? Ajñātam brahmaiva karanam na pradhanadi. Brahma unknown is jagat karanam, not pradhanam. Tatha cha vartikam shrutito yuktitaschapi swayameva pravakshati udarka imameva artham natonyat karanam tatah. श्रुति तो युक्तितश्च अपि स्वयमेव प्रवक्ष्यति. श्रुतितः and yuktitah. Shruti itself will give all these drishtanta to show Brahma is Jagat Karanam Ajnata Brahma. Udarke agre. Imam eva artham. In the beginning, this alone, imam eva artham. Na ato anyat karanam tataha. Udarke imam eva artham swayam eva pravakshati. In this way, you have to do anvaya. उदर अग्रे इममेव अर्थम स्वयमेव प्रवक्ष्यति. अतः न अन्यत् कारणम. Therefore, there is no other karanam. Brahma itself is karanam. Sitika. Shruti smriti vadeshu parasya tad karanatvam prasiddham iti bhava. In Shruti smriti, Paramatma is karanam. This is prasiddham. How prasiddham? We already saw some quotations given there. नाम रूपात्मकस्य द्वैतस्य अविद्या विद्यमान देहत्वात् विद्यापनोद्यत्वं सिद्ध्यति इत्याह. नाम रूपात्मकस्य द्वैतस्य, नाम रूपात्मक द्वैत is अविद्या विद्यमान. अविद्यया विद्यमान देहत्व यस्य. देहत्व means sharira, means its appearance of Nama Rupatmaka Dvaita is only because of avidya. Because of avidya, you see all Nama Rupa. We see Nama Rupa means we give reality to Nama Rupa. Once Jnanam comes, we don't give reality to Nama Rupa. These are all appearances. Avidya vidyamana dehatvat. Vidya apanodyatvam siddhyati. Apanodyatvam tasya द्वैतस्य नाम रूपात्मकस्य द्वैतस्य अविद्यया अपनोद्यत्वम. अपनोद्यत्वम, अपनोद means parihara. What is the dhatu?
Nud. Nud.
अविद्यायाः अपनोद्यत्वम. विद्यया. Vidya apanodyatvam will be in so vidyaya apanodyatvam tasya द्वैतस्य अविद्यया. अविद्यायाः अपनोद्यत्वम you can say. द्वैतस्य means of avidya. द्वैतस्य is षष्ठी. अविद्यायाः is षष्ठी. What is the dhatu?
Nud.
Prerane dhatu is there. Apa upasarga is there. Therefore, it is for the elimination. Siddhyati iti aha yadatmake iti. Yadatmake iti. Shouldn't it be yadatmaka iti? What is there in your book? Yadatmake iti or yadatmaka iti? So, yadatmake is there in the bhashya, but pratika should be Swamiji. Yadatmake, what is your reading? Yadatmake is there or yadatmaka is there? Which should be there? What should be there? If I say yadatmake is correct, then why it is correct? Huh? Online? Yadatmake is dvivachanam. In dvivachana, this lopa, shakalyasya and all those sutras will not work. Idude dvivachanam.
Yeah.
Yadatmake is correct. ईदुदे द्विवचनम प्रगृह्यम, दैट इज द सूत्र. आपका हो गया है ये सूत्र, हो गया होगा, आप देख लेना. टीका में देखो, आई मीन सी इन टीका फर्दर. व्याकर्तुः आत्मनः स्वभावतः शुद्धत्वे दृष्टान्तमः. सो one is to study, another is to, those things should strike at that time. व्याकर्तुः आत्मनः स्वभावतः शुद्धत्वे दृष्टान्तमः. व्याकर्ता आत्मा स्वभावतः it is shuddha. In that drishtanta is given how salilat iva, like water, swachha jalam, salilat iva. Like our Gangaji in February, March is swachha jalam. Because there is no rain, nothing is coming from top. Now Gangaji has all aropita malam. स्वभावतः शुद्धत्वे दृष्टान्तमः सलिलात्. व्याक्रियमाणयोर नामरूपयोः स्वतो अशुद्धत्वे दृष्टान्तमः. नामरूप which are the व्याक्रियमाण, shanach pratyaya, that which has manifested, they are swatah ashuddha. How? Like malam iva henam, hena bududadi, etc. Further in tika, on next page, yatha henadi jalotham tanmatramevam तथा अज्ञात ब्रह्मोत्थम, नॉट आज्ञात ब्रह्मोत्थम, अज्ञात ब्रह्मोत्थम, वन खंडाकार यू कैन रिमूव. जगत ब्रह्म मात्रम तद ज्ञान बाध्यम च इति भावः. फेनादि जलोत्थम, जलोत्थम, व्हाट इज द सूत्र?
स्तम्भो पूर्वस्य.
स्तम्भोः पूर्वस्य. तो स्था धातु इज देयर. उद ud plus stha. Dakar will become takara first. So it will become ud. And from stha, that sakara lopa will happen because of this sutra. A sakara will become first thakara, then there will be lopa. So the drishtanta and the arshtanta you compare now. What is the drishtanta saying? Penadi jalotham tanmatram evam. Tanmatram. Pena, budbuda, etc. They are arising from water. Therefore, they are water only. In the same way, Jagat is arising from where?
Brahma.
Ajnata Brahma. Ajnata Brahmotham Jagat. Therefore, it is Brahma Matram. Tad Jnana Badhyam Cha. ब्रह्म ज्ञानेन बाध्यम जगत इति भावः। नित्य शुद्धत्वादि लक्षणमपि वस्तु न स्वतो अज्ञान निवर्तकम। Very important point actually in these two paragraphs, yesterday's paragraph and today. So many Vedanta Siddhantas are given. You should just note them down separately and dwell on them. Yesterday I mentioned 4 of them at least. See this another one. Nitya Shuddhatvadi Lakshanam. Nitya Shuddhatvadi Lakshanam kim? Brahma. Api Vastu, Brahma Vastu, na Swato Ajnana Nivartakam. Can Brahma remove Ajnanam? No.
No.
Brahma cannot remove Ajnanam. Brahma is Jnana Swarupa. Jnana Swarupa Brahma, can it remove Ajnanam or not? No. Swato na Ajnana Nivartakam Kevalasya. So Nitya Jnanam cannot remove Anadi Ajnanam. Can it? Pay attention to the sentence. Nitya Jnanam, can it remove Anadi Ajnanam?
No.
No, Swamiji.
Yes or no?
No, Swamiji.
Anitya Jnanam, can it remove Anadi Ajnanam? If Nitya Jnanam cannot remove Anadi Ajnanam, can Anitya Jnanam remove Anadi Ajnanam?
No,
Yes,
Swamiji.
Swamiji. Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, no, or sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Anitya Jnanam can remove Ajnana, not Ajnana.
Anitya Jnanam can remove Anadi Ajnanam, but Nitya Jnanam cannot remove Anadi Ajnanam. See this sentence now. Tat sadhakatvad vakyotha buddhi vrityaruಢam tu tatha. Tat sadhakatvad. Ajnanam jnana nivartana sadhakatvat. How? Vakyotha buddhi vrityaruಢam. Vakyotha, Mahavakyotha, buddhi vritti. Ka vritti? Brahmakara.
Brahmakara vritti.
Only in Brahmakara vritti it will happen, not in any other. Brahmakara vrittya. So Brahmakara vrittya rudham. Buddhi vrittya rudham means Brahma Mahavakya Janya Brahmakara vrittya rudham. Rudham kim? Nitya Shuddhatvadi Lakshanam Brahma. Vrityarudham tu tatha. Tatha means tatha means
Ajnana nivartakam.
Tatha mano.
Ajnana Nivartakam. Ajnana Nivartakam. Iti manvano brute. Brute Acharya. So what is the meaning of this Vakya? Brahma by itself cannot remove Ajnanam. But Brahma appearing in Brahmakara vritti, that Vrittyaruಢa Chaitanyam, not in any vritti, only in Brahmakara vritti, Aruಢa Chaitanyam will remove Brahma Vishayaka Ajnanam. In Ghatakara vritti, what is Arudham? Brahma. In Ghatakara vritti, what is Arudham is Brahma only. But Ghatakara vrityarudham Nitya Shuddhatvadi Lakshanam Brahma. Can it remove Ajnanam? Means Mula Ajnanam? No. Ghata Ajnanam? Yes. It can remove Ghata Ajnanam. So this point, I hope it is clear. It's not difficult. But this is a Siddhanta point. So note that down. आकाशो हवै नाम नाम रूपयोर निर्वहिता ते यदंतरा तद ब्रह्म इति श्रुतिम आश्रित्य आह. This is Chandogya chapter 8. 8th chapter, 14th section, I think, first mantra, 8.14.1. But you'll have to check, huh? I am just telling you by whatever I remember. Akasho havai nama. What is Akasha? See second number tippani. Asamantat kashate prakashate iti akasha paramatma. What is the meaning of Akasha? Akasha means Brahma, Paramatma. And etymology is given. Vyutpatti is given. Asamantat kashate prakashate. Nirvahita. Nirvahita means Utpatti Sthiti Hetuhu. This Paramatma is Utpatti Sthiti Hetu. Namarupayor Nirvahita. Nirvahan. To do Nirvaha means to support. Utpatti Sthiti Hetu means because of that it is there, because of it, it is sustained. That is called to do Nirvahana. Te yadantara tad brahma. Te के नाम रूपे. Te नाम रूपे yad antara. That those two नाम and रूpa, they are within Brahma, but not existing separately. Actually, here it is given yasmat bhinne. Bhinna means not separately existing. Rajju and Sarpa. Rajju is different from Sarpa, or Sarpa is different from Rajju. Think and tell me. Rajju is different from Sarpa, or Sarpa is different from Rajju, or both, or none.
None, Swamiji.
None, Swamiji, none.
It is
That's
only a
different satta.
In Vyavaharik Satta, Rajju is there. And Pratibhasik Sarpa is there. We accept in Vedanta Anirvachaniya Sarpa Utpatti. Now the question is, between Vyavaharik Rajju and Pratibhasik Sarpa, Rajju is different from Sarpa, or Sarpa is different from Rajju, or both, or none?
none, Swamiji.
Answer is, Sarpa is not different from Rajju, but Rajju is different from Sarpa. How do you say? Without Sarpa can Rajju exist? Yes. Without Rajju can Sarpa exist?
No.
Did I ask the same question or different question? If you are not attentive, if you are thinking of something else, who is answering, then you will not be able to answer. You will be only thinking about who is answering. You have to pay attention to what I say, and you have to think of the answer to the question which is asked. And don't keep it to Rajju Sarpa. Apply it to Brahma and Jagat, and Atma and Ahankara. Atma, between Atma and Ahankara. Can Ahankara exist without Atma?
No.
No.
Can Atma exist without Ahankara?
Yes.
Yes.
But it won't express.
So therefore, Atma is Satya. Ahankara is Mithya. This is how we decide what is Satya and what is Mithya. ते यदंतरा तद ब्रह्म इति श्रुतिमाश्रित्य आह ताभ्याम इति ताभ्याम नाम रूपाभ्याम विलक्षणः फर्दर इन टीका नाम रूपात्मक द्वैत असंस्पर्शित्वात् नित्य शुद्धत्वम अशुद्धे द्वैत नित्य शुद्धत्वम अशुद्धेर द्वैत संबंधाधीनत्वात् तत्र अविद्या प्रयोजिका इति अभिप्रेत्य तत्संबंधम निषेधति। अशुद्धेर that refer नाम रूपात्मक द्वैत असंस्पर्शित्वात् नाम रूपात्मक द्वैत is actually not touching the Brahma, which is that Brahma Nitya Shuddhatvam. So Brahmanaha Nitya Shuddhatvam Tasmat Nama Rupatmaka Dvaita Asamsparshitvat केवल अशुद्धेः अच्छा अशुद्धेः द्वैत संबंध अधीनत्वात् अशुद्धि is because of द्वैत संबंधाधीना का
Brahma.
द्वैत संबंधाधीना का
Brahma.
नो
नाम
Nama Rupatmaka Dvaita.
no see you are not paying attention to what I am asking. You are just ready to give answers. My question is in Strilinga. द्वैत संबंध अधीना का
बुद्धि वृत्ति
where is vritti in this vakya? There is no vritti.
No.
Avidya.
Ashuddhi, a previous shabda is ashuddhehe, it is given. Ashuddhehe dvaita sambandhadhinatvat. Why the answer is not appearing at the right time? What is the hetu? Ashuddhi. Ashuddhi is the hetu. Anya, some answer is given right there. अशुद्धेः द्वैत संबंधाधीनत्वात् तत्र अविद्या प्रयोजिका. What is the प्रयोजक there? अविद्या इति अभिप्रेत्य तत् संबंधम निषेधति. That संबंध निषेध संबंध between what and what? नित्य शुद्ध ब्रह्म and नाम रूपात्मक जगत or द्वैत. Between Brahma and Dvaita there is really no sambandha. Or more, Nama Rupatmaka Jagat, its hetu is or prayojika is avidya. Between Brahma and avidya there is no sambandha. Because between Brahma and Jagat or Dvaita there is no sambandha, therefore it is Nitya Shuddha. Between Brahma and avidya there is no sambandha, therefore it is Nitya Buddha. This is clear. One is Nitya Shuddhatva. With Dvaita you can take. And with avidya there is no sambandha, therefore it is Nitya Buddha. Even if we say Brahma is ashraya of avidya, there is no sambandha. Ashraya, ashrita sambandha is just like the sambandha between Rajju and Sarpa. Rajju is ashraya, Sarpa is ashrita. So nothing has happened to Rajju. Prayojika. Why avidya is prayojika? Why not avidya is hetu? Directly, instead of saying hetu, why prayojika shabda is used? बोलो हाँ परतम हाँ बोलो अविद्या causes what द्वैतम so they could have said avidya hetu tatra avidya hetu
Swamiji, because there is prayojaka sambandha is there between avidya and dvaita.
no what is prayojaka
Because prayojaka is dvaita, I mean jagat, nama rupa.
no what is the difference between karana and prayojaka
Here, because the sambandha has to be highlighted.
what is the difference between karana and prayojaka this is the third time I think we are discussing this, not the first time. In Tarka Sangraha, this we have discussed. हाँ बोलो आपको बोलो
Prayojaka helps you to think. Karana.
No, incorrect. Prayog prompter. What is the why that word is used? Karya is no karya karan sambandha is true, but the explanation is not clear. See, what is when do they use prayojaka shabda? Yatra yatra dhumaha tatra tatra vannihi. Dhuma is karyam, vanni is karanam, hetu. In dhuma and vanni, what is hetu?
Dhuma is Hetu, Swamiji.
In dhuma and vanni, today's class will go longer. In dhuma and vanni, what is vanni?
Vanni karana. Hetu.
Vanni is karana or dhuma is hetu. Vanni is hetu. What is sadhya then? Parvato vanniman, dhumat. What is hetu? Dhuma is hetu or vanni is hetu?
Dhuma is it.
Dhuma is hetu.
With respect to
Okay,
the Taraka,
Okay, now I will explain. Next time, if I ask this question, you better answer correctly. Don't get confused like this again. And everybody is going to listen to, the whole world will know how you are answering. Dhuma jnanam is hetu. In the anumanam, parvato vanniman, dhumat. Dhuma is not hetu. Dhuma jnanam is hetu. Vanni jnanam is sadhya. Dhuma jnanena vanni jnanam. Dhuma is not karana. Karana is vanni. Dhuma is karya. First what comes? Vanni or dhuma?
Vanni comes.
Vanni comes
Dhuma.
first.
And dhuma.
What is the definition of karana in Tarka Sangraha? Karya niyata purva vrittitvam. You have to memorize some of these definitions and keep them in mind. So karya niyata purvati, what comes before karya is called karana. So vanni has to be hetu. Dhuma jnanam is hetu for vanni jnana siddhi. So that topic is clear. Yatra yatra dhuma. Now we have to come back to our question. What is our question? Prayojaka. Yatra yatra dhumaha tatra tatra vannihi. Okay. So in this, vyapti is there. What is the vyatireki vyapti? This is anvay vyapti. What is vyatireki vyapti?
यत्र यत्र भावः तत्र तत्र धूमः अभावः
Yatra yatra dhuma bhava tatra tatra dhuma bhava.
No, वह्नि अभावः स्वामी
Yatra
यत्र
yatra vanya bhava tatra tatra dhuma bhava. Abhava. When we say yatra yatra vanya bhava tatra tatra dhuma bhava, which abhava we are talking? How many abhavas are there? 4. Which abhava we are talking?
अत्यंत अभाव
Atyanta bhava. Atyanta bhava is janya or nitya?
Nitya.
नित्य
Nitya abhava. Can it be karya?
No, Swamiji.
That's why they don't show karya karana between two abhava. That's why they use the word prayojaka when they want to show two anadi things associated. Is it clear? So here, avidya is anadi. But avidya can become karana, but the karya is also anadi. The dvaita is also anadi. No, avidya is bhava. But if you do vyatireki vyapti, so you see the vakya. Tatra avidya prayojika. So between two anadi vastu, you cannot show karya karana sambandha. Even if both are there, abhava is anadi in drishtanta. Here, avidya is anadi. Dvaitam is anadi. Therefore, anadi dvaitam cannot have avidya karanam. To avoid that, he says avidya is prayojika. Is it clear? Like if somebody will ask, since when dvaitam started? What will you say? You will have to say anadi. So if you say dvaitam is anadi, then you should say anadi vastu cannot have karanam, because anadi vastu cannot be karyam. Anadi vastu cannot be karyam. So anadi dvaitam, you cannot show that it has a karanam, but anadi dvaitam can have prayojakam. Anadi dvaitam can have prayojakam. Is it clear? You have to write these things down, and then next time if I ask dhuma is hetu or vanni is hetu, the right answer you have to give. Prayojika avidya iti abhipratya tat sambandham nishedati buddha, means nitya buddha. Paramatma is nitya. Tasmadeva dukkhadi anartha asamsparshitvam aha mukta, means nitya mukta. Up to this we keep. Brahma is dukkhadi anartha asamsparshi, never touched by them. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshina Murtaye Namaha. ओम शांति शांति शांति।